Are you a DIY enthusiast or passionate about woodworking? Today, we're revealing 20 essential woodworking tools on Amazon every DIYer needs in their workshop. From must-have hand tools to wood carving kits, these are the game-changing woodworking tools that will take your projects to the next level. Don't miss tool number 12. It's one of the smartest Amazon finds for woodworkers you'll wish you had sooner. And if you love discovering unique woodworking gadgets and must-have DIY tools, make sure to subscribe for more. Without further ado, let's dive in. Cutting wood or metal with accuracy and ease requires a powerful and versatile tool designed for precision and control. The WEN Orbital Jig Saw delivers just that, featuring a 6.6 ampere variable speed motor with a 4 1/4 inch cutting capacity for tackling tough projects. Its 4-in-1 orbital selection knob allows you to switch between straight and circular blade movements, while the onboard laser and LED light keep your cuts perfectly aligned. A quick-release chuck, beveling footplate, and lock-on trigger switch make operations smooth and efficient. With a dust blower, a 1 1/2 inches dust port, and onboard tool storage, this lightweight 5-pound saw is ideal for woodworking, angled cuts, and detailed finishing. Protecting your workpieces during clamping is essential to ensure accuracy and avoid damage. The WorkPro Vise jaw pads are designed to provide superior grip and protection with their durable aluminum pads and drawer-type soft pads. Measuring 5.5 inches and 6 inches, these magnetic Vise jaw covers feature tough multi-groove pads with 5 round grooves, plus 90 degrees and 45 degrees clamping angles, making them versatile for different shapes and sizes. The skid-proof waffle surface holds round, hex, or flat parts securely, while strong embedded magnets keep the pads firmly in place. Ideal for wood, metal, plastic, and tubing, they deliver non-marring, reliable clamping for multiple applications. A secure and stable hold is vital for precision in woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. Meet the MAXMAN Bench Vise Clamp, a heavy-duty 3-inch bench vise forged from high-quality cast steel with a chrome-plated spindle and nut for durability. Its jaws are enhanced with quenching and reburning technology, providing excellent hardness and strength to resist deformation under extreme pressure. Featuring a 360-degree swivel base, it allows flexible positioning and versatile use. The complete installation kit includes rubber protective covers, non-slip gaskets, and multiple fixing holes for added stability. Perfect for woodworking, metal parts processing, cutting conduit, and drilling, this multi-purpose bench clamp ensures secure, scratch-free clamping every time. When woodworking projects demand precise glue application, having a reliable tool makes all the difference. Enter the Milescraft Glue Mate, a precision wood glue bottle designed to elevate your crafting experience. It's innovative. Easy flow multi-chamber design ensures smooth glue dispensing, even at any angle, while keeping the contents fresh with an anti-drip tip and included caps. The package includes 2 applicator tips, a precision doweling tip for tight joints, and a flat biscuit tip for wider glue beads, making it ideal for dowel and biscuit applications. Holding 15 ounces of wood glue or other liquids, this tool is perfect for accurate, controlled gluing in any woodworking project. Clean professional finishes in woodworking require more than just drilling holes. They need precision countersinking for seamless screw installation. Meet the EZARC Countersink drill bit set, a complete 82-degree solution designed to handle every step of the process. Crafted from nitride-treated HSS, these tapered drill bits offer 2 times longer lifetime, superior toughness, and wear resistance. The set includes adjustable stop rings for precision depth control, 2 wood plug cutters, and a 1/4 inch hex shank, quick change design for efficiency. With sharp cutters and an 82-degree counterbore angle, it ensures smooth, flawless holes in both hard and soft woods. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and all woodworking projects. Accurate drilling and precise measurements are essential for flawless woodworking and cabinet installation. The Saker drilling positioning ruler provides exactly that with its adjustable 13.78 inches multifunctional T-square design. Built from durable aluminum alloy with wear-resistant printing, it doubles as a cabinet hardware jig, marking gauge tool, and drilling template for drawers, doors, and shelves. Equipped with 3 adjustable positioning blocks and dual-axis bubble levels, it ensures perfect alignment for both horizontal and vertical tasks. Easy-to-use ABS knobs allow quick adjustments for length and angle, offering unmatched flexibility. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, this tool guarantees accurate drilling, marking, and installation in cabinetry and woodworking projects. Securing wood pieces firmly without damaging surfaces is essential for precision woodworking and smooth project results. The Tikfoam double-sided woodworking tape offers a reliable solution with its 1-inch by 36-yard roll, designed specifically for woodworkers. Made from premium PVC with strong dual-sided adhesive and a yellow paper backing, it provides tough adhesion yet remains removable and residue-free. Resistant to heat, stretching, and tearing, this tape ensures durability during demanding tasks. Ideal for router templates, edge routing, banding, splicing, anchoring, pattern cutting, and wood slicing. It saves time by preventing slippage and curling. Perfect for woodworking professionals, hobbyists, or DIYers, it also works for mounting, crafting, and home projects. Achieving perfectly aligned joints is essential for strong professional woodworking and welding projects. The WWYQYQ corner clamp set includes 4 PCS right-angle 90-degree wood clamps built with a durable aluminum alloy die-casting frame and a non-slip rubber handle for comfort and control. Featuring adjustable swing jaws and rotating nuts, these clamps allow easy fixing of 2 wood blocks of different thicknesses at a precise right angle. The oblong hole design enables secure attachment to a workbench for added stability. Ideal for DIY woodworking, welding, drilling, framing, dowels, cabinetry, and furniture installation, these versatile clamps provide precision, strength, and ease when joining materials at 90-degree or even 30-degree angles. Precision and versatility are essential for creating detailed and professional wood carvings. The BellaDimora wood carving kit is a 16-piece deluxe whittling set designed for both beginners and professionals. It includes 8 premium whittling knives, 4 detail carving knives, a tracing kit, and cut-resistant gloves, all housed in a PU leather storage pouch for convenience. The knives feature razor-sharp, high-carbon steel blades with excellent edge performance and corrosion resistance, paired with ergonomic walnut handles for comfort during extended use. Perfect for crafting intricate designs, this complete woodworking tool set is ideal for whittling, carving, and creating beautiful wooden projects, making it a thoughtful gift for enthusiasts. Accurate and consistent drilling is essential for professional-looking shelves and cabinetry. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin Jig is an all-metal, self-contained drilling jig designed to drill 11 holes at once, significantly speeding up shelf installation. It comes with 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits, knurled and striped bushings for easy identification, and a canvas storage bag for organization. Adjustable hole-to-edge distances of 37mm, 50mm, and 64mm allow compatibility with various shelving designs, while the positioning pin and drill bit stop collar provide precise depth control. Made from premium aluminum alloy, this shelf hole and cabinet hardware jig ensures accurate, efficient, and professional results for furniture, cabinets, and DIY projects. Achieving perfectly aligned corners is crucial for precise and professional woodworking projects. The Going Make corner clamps are aluminum alloy positioning squares designed for both 45 and 90-degree clamping. CNC machined for accuracy, these clamps ensure precise right-angle joints and secure corners efficiently. Their aligned shoulders make it easy to line up wooden boards, saving time and effort while freeing your hands during assembly. Ideal for wood T-joints, boxes, cabinets, drawers, picture frames, and other woodworking projects. These versatile clamps provide stability, speed, and accuracy. Whether crafting furniture or frames, the Going Make Corner clamps guarantee strong, square connections and professional quality results every time. Accurately locating studs behind walls is essential for safe and precise mounting of heavy items. The Franklin ProSensor M150 is a sensor stud finder designed for speed, ease, and unmatched accuracy. With 9 sensors and patented Franklin technology, it instantly identifies stud edges and centers without any calibration. Its enhanced precision LED display with 15 tightly spaced LEDs clearly shows stud locations, while the wide display enables detection of single or double studs. The M150 can even detect live wires, adding an extra layer of safety. Perfect for hanging pictures, installing cabinets, or mounting flat-screen TVs, it ensures reliable results for any project. For woodworking and material assembly, applying even pressure is crucial to achieve precise, stable results. The Bessey parallel clamp features a perfect parallel jaw design ideal for 90-degree clamping of materials, glue-ups, and general-purpose clamping of wood, composites, plastics, light metals, and mixed materials. With a 3 3/4-inch throat depth, 3 removable jaw pads, and 2 rail protector pads, it safeguards surfaces while providing a 1,500 pounds clamping force. The ergonomic 2-component molded soft grip handle allows rapid action jaw opening and closing, and the cold-drawn steel alloy rail with 6 serrated edges ensures secure, slip-proof clamping. It can also attach to work surfaces using TK6 clamps, making setup effortless. Accurate measurements and straight lines are essential for professional quality woodworking and drafting. The Poiyham T-Square ruler is a 12-inch precision T-square crafted from durable aluminum alloy for long-lasting use. Featuring laser-engraved scales and 1/16-inch scale positioning holes, it allows precise marking, scribing, and measuring for hole marks, parallel lines, and vertical lines. Its dual support lips and humanized handle prevent tipping and ensure accurate right-angle operations, while the 45-degree beveled blade reduces parallax for cleaner measurements. Ideal for woodworking, architecture, drawing, and art, this versatile woodworking T-square with support lips and scales makes precise measurement and marking effortless. Maintaining razor-sharp edges on chisels and planes is essential for precise woodworking. The Honing Sharpening Jig is a professional woodworking tool designed to deliver fast, accurate sharpening results by locking in any angle for consistent bevels. Made with industrial-grade stainless steel and bronze bearings, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting durability. Its adjustable width and metal stud locking mechanism accommodate blades from 0.1 inch to 3.22 inches, while dual anti-slip rollers stabilize tools on whetstones at a perfect 90 degrees angle. The jig comes with an all-in-one storage case, including replacement rollers and a magnetic hex wrench, making it ideal for sharpening chisels and plane blades efficiently. Precise countersinking is essential for clean, professional woodworking and assembly. The Csyibeielec Countersink drill bit set includes 5 pieces with low-friction depth stops and replaceable HSS M2 tapered bits on 1/4-inch hex shanks for use with woodworking and hand tools. Each bit features a spiral chip flute and sharp alloy cutting edges for smooth, efficient countersinks and counterbores. Depth is fully adjustable using the included wrench and depth stop ring, allowing exact positioning for pilot and countersink holes. Ideal for natural woods, chipboard, plywood, MDF, decking, drywall, and various plastics. This set ensures precise professional results in woodworking and general assembly projects. Achieving precise sanding in tight spaces is crucial for flawless finishes on detailed projects. The Ivanji Micro Detail Sander Kit is a 90-piece 3-in-1 mini hand sanding block set featuring 60 to 400 grit sandpaper suitable for woodcrafts, metal, plastic, and DIY polishing projects. Its ergonomic, lightweight design provides comfort and control, allowing effortless access to narrow edges and intricate details. The hook and loop backing enables quick sandpaper changes, while premium aluminum oxide sheets ensure durability, tear resistance, and anti-clog performance. Black sandpaper works wet or dry, covering coarse, medium, and fine sanding needs. Perfect for detail sanding, tight spaces, and precision finishing, it boosts efficiency and results. Creating strong, precise joints is essential for durable woodworking and home projects. The Kreg Jig R3 is a portable, affordable pocket hole jig that simplifies building furniture, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and performing lasting repairs. Simply position the jig, drill a pocket hole using the stepped drill bit, and drive in a self-tapping screw to achieve a tight, secure joint without messy glue or visible fasteners. It works with materials 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick, from thin plywood to 2x4s, and features adjustable positioning sliders, a drill bit stop collar with gauge, and a clamp pad adapter for easy setup. Perfect for indoor and outdoor projects with strong, clean joints. Precision drilling for delicate or intricate projects is essential for professional quality results. The AM AeroMax Mini Drill Pen is a 5-speed portable resin drill set with LED lights, OLED display, and 10 small bits stored in an aluminum box. Perfect for jewelry making, wood, plastic, and other crafts. Its adjustable RPM up to 900 allows precise control for smooth, accurate drilling, while durable bits handle multiple materials with ease. The magnetic storage box keeps bits organized, and the innovative fastening design allows quick, tool-free bit changes. Powered by a 500 mAh battery with USB-C charging, this mini drill pen offers portable precision for detailed, professional-grade crafting projects. Accuracy is key when working on woodworking, drafting, or engineering projects. The BPOPO Angle Finder is an upgraded stainless steel angle protractor designed to deliver precision from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. With clear laser-etched markings, it ensures accurate readings and long-lasting visibility. The adjustable protractor arm, secured with a knurled thumb nut, locks angles firmly in place for dependable use when setting bevels, marking straight lines, or drawing radial lines. Built from rust-resistant stainless steel, this angle measuring tool is durable and resists deformation over time. Ideal for woodworking, architectural design, student drawing, and crafting, this multifunctional tool combines ruler and protractor functions for precise, versatile measuring and marking. And that wraps up our list of 20 essential woodworking tools on Amazon every DIYer needs. Which woodworking tool was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd use it. If you enjoy discovering these Amazon woodworking tools, give this video a like, share it with your DIY friends and fellow woodworkers, and subscribe for more essential tools, Amazon gadgets, and woodworking gear every week. Stay creative, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.